is the great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, akin down to the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. Now there are 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, came down to Visayan shore, Otito, Gravan, coconut and corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, Bohol, Samarite, ay, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaho, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao. Davao, South Oriental, Nel Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, Philippines has the great history. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay, all tourists are invited to see. Came down to our geography. Philippines is the beautiful country.